How to find all your drafts on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your drafts on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there. Once you are on For You page, of course you're gonna find those three lines up there, click on it, and here you're gonna find a lot of options and you're gonna find drafts. And like you see, I have no drafts, but you're gonna find all your drafts list here, and you can click and edit and select the draft you want to delete or you want to edit. And once you are done, click on delete and delete whatever you want and edit whatever you want. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.